Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. State Cabinet approves the establishment of Medical Skill Huner Hub in West Garo Hills. More roads are in the pipelines to boost up tourism in Warjangya. For safety and security, Yodo is placed under CCTV coverage. And woman electrocuted by HT wire in Nongal Bibra, South Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. The State Cabinet in its meeting on August 30th has approved the establishment of Medical Skill Huner Hub at the cost of Rs 151 crore through the expenses to be borne by the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India at 90:10 ratio with the state government. This was informed by the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma while briefing the media after the meeting. He said the Medical Skill Huner Hub will cater to the need of highly specialized medical health supporters like nurses, counsellors and technicians for the entire region. In another decision taken during the meeting was to implement the separation of judiciary and the executive in the district and subdivisional levels in the entire state.
Medical skill for paramedical staff, a large-scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district, and the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Huner Hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs that time. From 2022, of course, that has changed, and now all districts can get funds for Minority Affairs. So for this particular project, which was initiated in 2020, we had proposed 282 crores for this, but after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95, and out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the Government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by Government of India.
Home Minister Lakman Rumboy on August 30th laid the foundation stone for construction of road from Kudengrim to Kudeng Thamai in the presence of Director of Tourism Department Cyril V.D. Dengdo, IS Chief Engineer PWD Roads BP Mark. The function was organized by the Public Works Department PWD at Kudengrim Football Ground. The construction of 5.14 kilometers from Kudengrim to Kudeng Thamai, funded by New Development Bank under Meghalaya Eco-Tourism Infrastructure Development Project, amounting to Rs 17.63 crores. Addressing the function, Home Minister Lakman Rumboy thanked the locals for generously contributing their plot of land for construction of the road for the overall development of the area. I hope that the road and two bridges that will be constructed will serve for everyone and will improve tourism in these areas, added the Home Minister. He said his mission is to improve road connectivity from Shillong to Amkoi and develop tourism in the area with the availability of land from local people. Director of Tourism Cyril Dengdo said, these areas draw lots of tourists as the places are endowed with a natural scenic beauty. Shri BP Mark in his welcome address highlighted the detailed information of the project, informing that the construction of 5.14 kilometer road will provide connectivity of the following villages: Kongla, Nongbare, Amkoi, Kudengrim with the NH40E. It will also reduce the distance to reach the nearest CHC and college at Nong Talang, Market Center at Dauki and Shillong.
Kumba South Duna Nadupadu Haduchan Kongla. But Nakurin Tumai Shagra Kumba Ara Kilomita. Kabasno Nam Kalang Barok kita Artligi Surok. Lashna Daima Klor Pakma Bak Mantakan Nero Kasurok Unshnahi Ma'u. Ngatra mapibaro kibayawan mangtagasngi pilawan sakhi ya quality ka tre nadu padu hatu jan khongla bak ki basarung ibang tre mo kuya per bakubak tanga kamen skem bak naga surak kaban sedang manta rangkat artli gicingke kan long ka surak kababha Bat ka banne. Ban yo yakan usrok kam nang usuk.
The Dorbar of Malim's aimship, under the leadership of Pa-Aim Aina Manik's aim, had taken a decision to place the entire area of Yodo, Barabazar, under security coverage of closed-circuit TV, CCTV camera, to bring about security and safety of the public in the area. The Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Tarwal Khan, accompanied by Srimati Grace Kharputi, EM, Trade, along with Pa-Aim Aina Manik, inaugurated the functioning of the CCTV cameras in Yodo, the biggest trading center in the state. It is expected that the presence of these cameras will bring about quick detection of an arrest of various crimes such as theft, pickpocketing, quarreling, fighting, women molesting and misbehaving in the days to come. At the same time, such crimes will drastically reduce and make Yodo into a tourist hub. The aimship authorities have also installed pay system in the market for emergency and safety announcements. Foundation stone for the construction of another section of wholesale market at Yodo is installed in today's functioning.
Sound system ru mar pajai po Yodo nilaku kan jing try kini ki sni akabai officer in charge ngi yong ba kalai rap chibon aba penbanai ge ba ja ge ba dalkam po Yodo kumah kipuar di kepala leno. Nama apa? Bonsin ni kipuar di kepala leno. Apa barang-barang wan komiting siang dulu. Bonsin isu. Ai betang notice dan papai Shillong songyo dan papai.
Kalima ibu papai. Kepala syukia. Nama bangini kita pakai kipuar. Ba asakan thong kayo do. Kayo ni kalong kayo kaba bon sang kita ki batu mau batin. Ngangit ban lima kini CCTV nila ban detect ban nila banong ban lese ban pengguna ya kita kiba keluar pla lese kibale kita mesti baman ban kaliarap shipon ya kilo crimes kiba lese kiba jahayo.
Leaders of the conglomeration of non-government organizations of Nongal Bebra South Garo Hills District, consisting of the Federation of Khasi Jaintia Garo People, Garo Students Union and others, have written a complaint of negligence of duty of the Deputy Commissioner, Bakmara South Garo Hills Districts, against the Subdivisional Assistant Manager of the Feedback Energy Distribution Company Limited, Nongal Bebra, to the death of Shrimati Suritha and Sangma, daughter of Shri Albinson Momin, due to the electrocution from the 11th kV high tension line that hung overhead in the public thoroughfare. The complaint said that the high tension wire was hanging just a little higher than human height that puts human lives and that of livestock in danger. The NGO's leaders urged the DC to initiate an inquiry of the death of the said lady and the inefficient manner in the functioning of this company that paid little respect to human lives. Federation for Khasi Jaintia Garo People, Circle, Mother's Union, GSU Regional Unit, Ndakim Yatna Skinga, Somatan Batang Sal Subanamo, Yazani Chicha Tariko, Chunginova Nangova, Saksa, Karinani Shabo, Manaha, Yani Bidumotuna, South University Dishnas and Company Letter Pochna Sidor Tacham, Niva Taunaba Mamu response to Muja, administration Ita, Uniman Daloni, sitting demonstration ko nga apa singa tinga, ya sitting demonstration ko daw sa ganina kung singa Jojo Tapangen, ya yani zaman ba sorkari ni kita administration ni kita mamung ko suni agana ko kena subject sumode singa office pikiting ko kangen. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.